Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Intuit Credit Karma app in your device. Credit Karma is a free credit and financial management platform that helps you track your credit score, understand your credit report, and make informed financial decisions. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Credit Karma. There you can see Intuit Credit Karma, tap on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Intuit Credit Karma app for a user-friendly and valuable tool for managing your credit. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.